So this is the Quantum Scalar i7 Raptor. It's about the same size as a standard rack, 606 millimeters wide, 48U high. Easy to put into any data center tile that you have. These are modular, and so rather than tying multiple frames together, typically you'd put your frames in your different location in the data center and then tie them together with erasure coating if you need to. We start at 100 slots and go all the way up to 2016 slots. That's 30 petabytes native on LTO9, 60 petabytes on LTO10. The magazines and IE stations are very easy to remove. And if for some reason you have a robot problem, the robot's also very easy to replace. So on the front side, this would be in the cool aisle. Most of the replaceable parts are in the back aisle, so we'll take a look at that in a minute. So it's super easy to remove the magazines. Just undo the lever, pull the magazine, and then you can see tapes are too high and too deep for the each column, getting 28 tapes per magazine.
You just do one more where you don't even need...
This is the backside of the Scalar i7 Raptor. It would go in the hot aisle. We can start with the easily replaceable parts. These are our titanium, 80 plus titanium rated power supplies, AC/DC, most efficient in the industry. You can see you can have there's 4 drives here, all the way up to 20. No trade-off between the slots and the drives. And at the very bottom, we have a hub for where the service tray and robot plugs into. So the power supply, plug and play. The brains of the i7 Raptor is our tape library controller. It's basically plug and play when it needs to be replaced. Also our drive cluster controllers, same construction, ruggedized, easily plug and play. Oh, and also the back plane, if there's some reason that needs to be replaced, is also plug and play. So Quantum Scalar i7 Raptor, densest storage on the planet is achieved by our magazines. Because we're not rack mounted, these magazines sit directly on top of each other, so there's absolutely no wasted space top to bottom. Also back to front, we have 2 tapes. You can see one after the other. And then 2 high, so 7 columns of 4 tapes, 28 tapes in each magazine. So the Scalar i7 robot and service tray, you can see the picker has 2 pickers in it, so you can exchange a tape in place without having to go back to a home slot. Also, this unit's just a singular unit, plug and play. No cables to manipulate, no thumb screws, really nothing to do other than pop it out and push it back in and push the latches in. On the Quantum i7 Raptor, the top magazine in each of the first 2 groups is IE slots, so you can configure 1 to 56 slots. The local UI on the Scalar i7 Raptor is kind of a mini tablet, and it's very easy to find the options you need to configure and manage your library. So the local UI on the i7 Raptor allows you to command and control and configure your library.